Last day of the tours at CAS for 2012. And I brought the last of the pansies from home. And they made quick work of them. Arthur and Jimmy. Sarah is, Sandy is coming.
Concept of what the heck they
These are hilarious.
They are.
You know, my grandma died like that. Like she eats.
You can see the garbage cans in here. We're getting ready for the hurricane. Things blow every now and then.
Oh, okay, so she doesn't. Yeah. Are you filming?
I am, Alyssa.
Hi, Donna.
Hi. Getting ready for the hurricane.
Did they eat their plants?
Immediately.
They did?
I attracted them over here with some kale from the refrigerator. And they like that just fine.